East and the West, racking up on my bread, power on me. I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test.
Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna be, I guess, trying to get my life together low-key. All right, so let's head to the gym, but before I go though, I need to eat something real quick and also get some caffeine in me because I cannot do a workout without caffeine. It is so bad, but I just know that if I go to the gym and don't drink something, I am actually going to give up halfway through my workout. All right, these are from EHPlabs. It's called Oxyshred. They have flavors that I never seen before, so we're gonna do a little taste test. We do sponsored by them, but this is about to be genuine. Like, I'm not gonna be like,
hey guys, so I really love this drink. Yum, go buy.
This has 0 sugar, 0 calories. It has natural flavors and colors. The packaging is so cool. It's like 3D. You can like feel it. Bro, this shit's so good. No, this is like the perfect carbonation. It's not like, it's like, this definitely tastes like passion fruit. What's cool about this though is it has L-carnitine, and they didn't tell me to tell you this. I just want to let you know because I think it's so cool. Basically, that chemical is the chemical that's made up in your brain, your liver, and your kidneys. Your liver ain't up here. And it's combined with smart caffeine for the smooth, clean energy throughout the day. Fun little facts. We love an educated girl or whatever. Oh, this one's good. Peach candy rings. This gives you 0 crash because it has the vitamin C and the vitamin B. This one's good if you like pina coladas. Like, it doesn't taste like shit. I just don't like pina coladas. All right, this is the final ranking. Guava is my favorite. All of a sudden, I'm like, anyways, y'all can go enter the Tesla giveaway. Yes, they're doing a Tesla giveaway. All you have to do is just purchase a case of their Oxyshred Ultra Energy, like these drinks. I'll link it down below. I actually have so much energy right now. Like, the sponsored portion is done. Like, I just can't shut up. I didn't even like drink a full can. I was only sipping. No, we don't promote that on this channel. Oh my god, sometimes I get scared that I'm losing my personality and then I just realize, no honey, you're just tired. Cause like, and now I'm like, Whoa, what the fuck was in that drink? Like, the sponsor portion is done, y'all. I'm just tripping balls right now. Can you feel my energy through the screen? I'm dead ass standing like this right now with my ass clenched because I don't understand what the fuck is going on. Shake, shake. Just kidding, nothing's shaking. Come on, bitch. Move. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. I need to drink this every day. What am I doing? I should be going to the gym right now. Yo, it's snowing outside. Like, it's a snowstorm right now. Ah! It literally says, New York, winter storm warning, and one more. Bitch. Mine is 18. I need to suck it up and go to the gym. Do we want the booty to be flat? Or do we want the booty to be fat? That's the real question. Yes, if I don't get my ass up right now, I will be flat. What the fuck was in this? I never felt this way before. I just read your comment. I should be like getting ready to go to the gym right now, but I am in such a silly, goofy mood. Tell me why I'm watching Blue's Clues right now. Just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. How the do I remember that? Anyways, what was I saying? Where was this conversation going? Oh, I was reading my comments just now and I'm like so happy. Like, y'all really fuck with me? Like, you telling me that like that many people like took the time to beep boop bop, comment down below? Ugh. Smooches. Anyways, comment anything down below because I read every single one of my subscribers' comments. Only subscribers though, so if you don't subscribe, can't read your comment. And you think I'm joking. You think I'm joking. I can literally see everything about you, bitch. I can see everything about you, bitch. You think that I'm just lying and be like, no, like, please subscribe, like, subscribe. You see this? Look, top comment. Let's see. Who is she? Oh, okay, cool, cool, cool. She is a subscriber. I can see that. She's commented 4 times and I've liked 2 of her comments. Bitch, I have the stats on all of you, okay? So, oh my god, I forgot to tell you. I had a nightmare last night when I was sleeping and I woke up this morning and I was dead ass like, that's how I was. Like, I woke up in tears, like sweating and crying, okay? And I journaled about it. Y'all saw me journal this morning. You know what I was journaling about? My nightmare. My nightmare, let me read it. It was about how 40% of you guys watching this video right now aren't subscribed. Isn't that so fucking nuts? Anyways, we gotta get ready. When I moved to New York, everybody was like, "Ma, you're crazy. Like, why would you move at this time? It's winter." And I was like, baby. Ew, it does not sound natural for me to go, baby. Bye. No, because see, if I say it in a British accent, it sounds a lot better.
Bitch, where?
Better. Anyways, what was I saying? I keep getting sidetracked. Oh, I was like, babe, I'm from Canada. Like, I was born and raised in that house. I'm so used to waking up and it being -40 and having to go to school. Like, come on now. London is only like a 6-hour flight from New York. Instead of me going from Los Angeles to New York, I'm gonna be going from New York to London, and New York to Rome, and New York to all these places. Like, hey guys, like, cause y'all know how I went, like, hey guys, like, I'm in New York for 10 hours. Imagine, hey guys, like, I'm in Italy for 10 hours. Hey guys, like, I'm in Paris for 10 hours. And the flights to Europe are cheaper than the flights from LA to New York. Make it make sense. Can y'all imagine the impulsive vlogs where I'm like, guys, like, I'm having a mental breakdown, like, I'm just gonna go fly to Italy and eat like a margherita pizza and like, oh my God, I'm so excited. Before I go though, I want to eat a rice cake with jam and peanut butter. Booty looking juicy. Just kidding, it's literally just the clothes. Now you wonder, shut up. Now you may be wondering, like, Maya, why peanut butter and jam on a rice cake? Carbs, fat, sugar.
Girls that get it, and the girls that don't.
Just kidding, we don't gatekeep on this channel. Basically, when you eat sugar, carbs, and fat before you go to the gym, it just really fuels you. You know, but you don't want to eat something too heavy or else you're gonna be in the gym shitting and partying. Do y'all get crunchy or smooth? Because I like crunchy. This is 0 added sugar, by the way, and also this jam is 0 added sugar. And personally for me, I feel like instead of counting your calories and being so specific on that, for me, the easiest way is to just cut down on added sugar. I don't give a fuck about my calories. You need calories to survive. You need calories to build that booty. You need carbs to build that booty. But you know what you don't need to build that booty? Added sugar. What is that gonna do for you? What is that gonna do for you? What? It's gonna satisfy your cravings? Be stronger than that. Your brain is a very strong muscle. I'm talking to myself, by the way. Like, when I'm editing this, I'm talking to myself. Like, I have a crippling sugar addiction. Not anymore, though. Not anymore. I'm healthy. I am wealthy. I am rich. I am the I am good. Thank you. Oh my God, I feel like I'm back in Canada right now. Like, I feel like I'm going to school. I'm nice and warm, though. I love the snow. Have a nice day. Stay warm.
How you doing? Took good pictures?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay, that's what it is. You're a YouTuber.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Hi. I just let him go out poop. I haven't hit the gym yet. Like, I have been up for 4 hours and I was supposed to go to the gym earlier, but you know what? It's fine. I have this issue where I'm like, I have to get so much done. I just gotta believe that the world is working out for me always. Timing is always right. You know what I mean? Like, the world is on my side. Timing is right. So if it takes me longer to do something and it's not because like I'm just like going on my phone, it's fine. I just talked to so many different people just going downstairs. I talked to the guy at the dog park for like the whole entirety of like 8 minutes. I talked to the front desk people. I talked to this guy in the elevator. I pressed the elevator button for him. He was like, how did you know my floor? And we were just talking in that elevator. Today's such a good day. And I need to shut up because I honestly talk too much. I think the reason why my energy is so good today and the reason why I'm so like happy right now is because I took time to myself yesterday night and this morning. Like, I took an hour this morning to just journal, meditate, and just like really just get out my thoughts, set intentions. And yesterday night I was doing the same thing, you know, like cleansing my crystals and everything like that. And I just feel so good. My energy is so good. I forgot for like honestly 2 months how good it feels to just set intention, journal, be grateful, actually like writing like I'm grateful for this in the morning and stuff like that. Like it works so much, and I didn't do that for a long time, and I thought it was kind of whatever because I was too busy. But if anything, like I need to start making time for that because clearly it has such a good effect on my day. I just feel like when I work on myself and I have positive energy, it reflects onto other people. That's what I want to do, you know what I mean?
Have a good morning. Thank you.
655.
Where are you looking for?
55. Excuse me.
Oh, it's close.
I say.
Yeah, so you have to just walk up and then it's on the right, okay? On the right side.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, what the f is going on? I'm literally, yesterday and this morning, I've just been telling myself, like, I spread love, like, I receive and I give love, like, I'm a magnet. Like, I talk to so many people, like, a random lady just stopped me. I'm like, damn, these affirmations really be working. Positive energy, y'all. Positive energy. Some people mad dedicated. Holy bro, who have I turned into? I'm out here like tearing up because I'm like, wow. First of all, the world is so beautiful. Second of all, I don't know, just like I'm like I have shivers right now. Like life is so good. Hi. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, how do you know?
I watch your vlog.
You do? I'm literally vlogging right now. What the heck? This is so random. Yes, of course. Where are you headed? Oh my gosh, cool. Well, have a good rest of your day, girl. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god, what the f? This is what I mean when I say, like, as much as I could rush and everything in life, and like definitely off schedule right now, like, everything is working out for me. The world is working out my timeline correctly. So like if I were to be a minute ahead, I would have never met that girl, you know what I mean? But this is so weird. I just keep meeting people. Wow. I'm currently listening to Pham Impala. Can you feel my energy right now? I know I always say that like you guys are my best friends and stuff like that, but genuinely, just because you're watching me through a screen doesn't mean that like we can't feel each other's presence, you know? Because I think it's better to be felt than seen. And just because we're not actually with each other doesn't mean that like we can't feel each other's energy. And I know I sound so crazy right now, but like, because I feel like I'm talking to you, you know? So it doesn't mean we have to be hanging out. Do you understand what I mean? I hope I don't sound too crazy, but I genuinely believe it's better to be felt than seen. Oh, because tell me why I just ate an entire bag of chips. Hi.
Dude, why are your cheese in there?
Huh?
Oh. Did I take my shoes off? It's an Asian household. Yeah, the doorman oh my god.
The doorman what?
They love you already. They're like, oh, you know Mai, the one with the dog. And I was like, yeah. They knew you right away. They knew where you live right away. Just why, keep going. Yo, this is insane, dude. Right? Dude, I lived by New York my whole life. I have never seen a view like this.
Me neither.
What the? Dude, I was like up in the elevator. It was like so many floors. I was like, damn, this better be a freaking nice ass view. That elevator ride was mad long. Yo, what happened? So that was like 10 seconds before and it looked like shit. Now it's great.
Oh my god.
Guys, look at this. Look at her bed situation right now. This view, I like didn't even see this freaking sad ass bed because I was looking at the view, but like, oh my god, and the light over here.
So take a quick second when you play that. Listen to the words I'm saying when you play back. 150 nerves in the hills, driving Maybach. Stay back, what you hate back. Remember what I mentioned about the cool fiend? not the only fake, just the one you happen to.